So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Claude AI. So to do this, all you have to do is go to Claude AI, and then here all you have to do is so let's just sign out, log out for once for a while. So basically here you can continue with Google, so let's go with mine. So continue, and then it's going to redirect you to your own account. So from there, they're just gonna have to verify your number and email, and that's all. It's just that simple. So basically, when your number is not there, unfortunately, you cannot access cloud. So when you have signed up, it's just that simple. It's just so straightforward for you guys, I swear to God. So just basically just use your Google account and then enter your number, verify your number, and there you go. You're ready to use your cloud. So here you can already start your first message with cloud. So hi, I need help with calculus. So there you go, it's gonna help you. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.